going on YouTube? Currently on my way to Valhalla right now for the championship. In the car, I have a 3-hour and 14-minute drive. I should be getting around there around like chrono time, but I had things scheduled for 9 o'clock, but for some reason a 2-hour drive turned into a 3-hour drive, which it's fine, whatever. I'm gonna make up the time regardless. I just hope it's not too bad, like stop and go. But yeah, we should be getting around there right at opening.
Alright, so how you feeling?
Chilling.
You chilling?
Like a villain.
Alright. Yo, how you feeling about this game?
Ready, man. We got this shit. Murder ain't gonna come on top. You feel me?
Alright. What about you?
I ain't coming to Texas to lose. That's all I'm saying. I ain't coming.
Hey, how you feeling about this game, bro?
Pretty good. Confident.
You feeling you gonna win?
Oh yeah.
You ain't driving out here for nothing?
No.
What about you?
We taking it.
Yo,
At that point.
how you feeling about this game, bro?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I'm excited. I'm glad everyone's here.
Confident?
Yeah,
You ain't
pretty
come out here to
confident.
lose?
No, not at all.
You gonna win first?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah. You feel like your team finna win?
Yeah, I think we're gonna come out strong. We've been practicing all season for it, so we're just gonna work together as a team, and we're gonna come W today.
Yeah, you gonna win that W?
I already see
I've been
it.
asking people, you think you're gonna win today?
Yeah.
And they all say yeah, but I looked at them crazy.
I hope every team that steps on the field today wants to win, because if we just walk through or games aren't fun, competition is where it's at. That's why we play. So I hope everybody brings their A game today.
Yeah, but I hope so too. So what y'all talk about over here?
Nothing. Exclusive talk right now.
It's time to my OnlyFans.
OnlyFans. Buddy. So, what team do you think is gonna win, bro? Oh, okay.
All right, we could not ask for a better first game. We got people that don't respect us. We got people that don't understand that we on the top. And now we get to show them what it is. We get to show them what the fuck Murder Inc. is. We get to show them what the fuck we're gonna about. And we're gonna show them how we're gonna take this fucking dub today. All right, we're going all the way to the top. Ain't nothing stopping us. All right? So, at the end of the day, we ready to mop this shit.
Let's do it.
So let's squash it right here. Murder Inc. on 3, Murder Inc. on me. 1, 2, 3, Murder Inc.
So I robbed him for his camera. I'm a gangsta motherfucker and I'm standing on that shit. We just stuck in with them tools, let's go hammer in this bitch. Yeah, trapping for bag to bag. We can go mad for mad. These niggas false, they bad. How you gon' rag to rag? Book bag got the big pump. Like high school, you can get jumped. Cake played me like a weak pump. Ay, bend it over, let me see some. Ay, I'm a monster, dumping niggas like a Tonka. GD crazy like my uncle, this not a Honda. Hellcat laugh like some thunder. Fuck 12, fuck you on them. All these little rappers think they tough. I swear to God, I don't give 2 fucks. Our nuts hanging, we gang banging. We bet who first to fuck some more. What the fuck?
Good diversion. Hey, they're gonna play aggressive and they're gonna fucking spray. All right? Yeah. They are going to spray. Big right down! Switch out! 2 on you. You got 2. The mirror of you and the mirror of him. Hey, 6 out! Hey, Slater's out! Slater's out! Get out, get out! 650, 650! Oh, what?
I got 5 shots.
Keep doing what you guys are doing, boys. Keep doing what you're doing. I can't really put it into words right now. Like, if you guys really need something motivational, then you guys are in the wrong place. All right, this is the game that we always come for. This is the game that we always have to win. All right, this is gonna be our toughest game. So let's get it done. Let's fucking put the work in. Let's go to the finals. All right.
This up?
I hit him after, so I told him to stay in, but he had already walked off. So.
Uncle Matt.
Bert.
Uncle Matt.
But it happens.
Would you,
yeah.
Would you call that considered?
I wanted him to stay in because it wasn't fair.
Would you call that?
I shot him after I was shot. So I said, stay in, Bert, stay in, Bert. But he had already called it, so.
Yo, Uncle Matt, would you call that considered really easy match?
No.
No.
I don't call it no match.
Jacob will either go wedge or he.
Marcus, would you call that a good game?
Yes, it was a very good game.
All right.
You do that to us.
How would you feel about that game?
It was a game. We here to win. So, I mean, it ain't.
Would you say that game was easy or?
It was another game. We're not done. We're not done. Everything is a game until we win. I don't look at nothing as easy. Everybody get treated the same. I'm here to win. So if you ask me if it was hard, it was a game. It was hard fought. Like I said, I treat everybody the same. You be 12 or 1200. I want to win. The job's not done. We still got 3-4 more matches.
Yo, Lou.
You got your
how do you think that last game was?
Controversial, but came with a W.
All right.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Just one back right. Just one back right. I'm going. I'm gone. Lane him. Lane him. Lane him. Watch fake, Batman, watch fake, watch fake. Come on, bro, call that.
CSL East Coast champs. Murdery.
Hey, Beaver, where you at? You can eat. Beaver, come on. Yo, Beaver, come here. You gotta get in here, man. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do this.
Yo, shout out to Beaver real quick. He the one that put us all on. We were flying to Cali to play. That's how desperate we were to play. So Keegan finally did all this for all of us. Now we can bring him to the East Coast. Now we put the East Coast on. We don't gotta go to California. Hold that trophy in the middle. Keep talking, just hold it in the middle. It's a little heavy. Hey, let's get another round of applause.
Please don't forget to share this video, like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new. All right, see you on the next one.
Perfect.